wrong with it?
Yeah, I was looking at you.
There's a little sign there that said Bowl Path. Bowl like B-O-W-L, not bull with horns. Oh, there's another little sign. Who's responsible for the sign that around here? Can't read. Do you think there used to be a bridge farther up so that you could get across? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Some nice woods. Beep, beep. Those are nice roots. Oh, a signpost from me for our place? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Get a new one since my old one was desecrated. Oh, that's nice.
Okay, there's about 20 or 30 of them.
Beep, beep. Look at that view. Oh, I see a spot on the mountain I like. Yeah, big quartz spot.
This is high up here.
Yeah, it's high up there, honey.
High up here. High.
Oh, that's horsetail over there, isn't it? Maybe? See something white and shiny.
Still should be that way because that's Mushroom Mountain, right?
Huh. Wonder if a different waterfall then, I guess.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
shiny white rock.
Yeah, I
on
saw
top
the
of it.
same thing on my window. We're looking at my
There's a
window.
sign. Oh, with some burn.
Yep, this is the first one.
My window looks very.
Is it?
Looks like it's higher.
And this is where you guys found some already?
Yep.